N.R.T here, guys. So we'll be doing another unboxing day. So I've been working with Olight for a bit now, and they sent me another flashlight. It's their Warrior 3. Where's my knife right there? I wonder where my knife was. It's been hot today in the shop. Got no AC in here. Got one little box fan. I'm thinking about getting some swamp coolers or maybe installing AC, but my shop's really not insulated that well, so I don't know how that's gonna work. How the heck you open the box? Just like that. Okay, got that. Even comes in its own little case. And there's its charger. The last one I did, I couldn't figure out how to charge, and then I looked. The charger's in the bottom of the box. So it comes in a nice little case. Go ahead and open that up. I want to get a Is it dead? Could be dead. Let me see. Okay, it says it's charged. Am I just not? Okay, I see. There's like a piece of film to see right there. Hey, gotta read the instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and looks like that's upside down, but I put it on my hat and I have but it's a little on the heavy side. I need one of the little ones, but this was the first one they sent me. It's the Ultralight Ultrafield Pro. So we'll be doing some more reviews for them, and it even comes in that little case. So I recommend the products, and yeah. I'll put a link in the description to their website. Go check them out. Go tell them N.R.T sent you. And stay tuned for more reviews from Olight from N.R.T.